Today is a big day. I haven't had my Tesla Roadster in a while. It's been like a month or two, and I miss it. And we've had it here at Lux Auto Spa, and some things are getting done on it. This is not my Roadster. This is a Tiffany blue wrapped Model X.
Yeah, look at the back of this thing. It doesn't say like Tesla or P100D, it just says SpaceX.
Whenever we want to get our cars looking cool, like our gray wrapped Model X, or like the calipers when we painted them red, we always go to Lux Auto Spa. And so they've been working on it for a little while, fixing the paint and doing some things to it. We're gonna check it out. All right, Cougar, show us the car.
You ready, man? I know you haven't seen it for a minute.
I know, what have you been working on?
So we got most of it done.
Dude. Look at the paint. The paint looks so good. Oh my gosh. It's my normal paint that we have. Right. It looks brighter.
Yep.
So what is this stuff that you put on it?
So it's an 8 mil, it's called Expel Paint Protection Film. So it's the ultimate version of it. It's 8 mils thick, and it protects against rock chips, obviously makes the car look so much better. On top of the film even, we put what's called Modesta ceramic coating on it. You're protected about as much as can be.
Dang, okay.
And then inside the actual car.
Oh, are we having some upgrades in here? Oh my gosh.
No seats.
There's not a lot left in here.
Wow. What the heck, Lincoln, you gonna get in there?
I heard you lost a key under the seat,
I did lose a key.
You have your second key back.
I lost it a long time ago. It was just like right down in there. Look at how torn up it is. Oh my gosh, look at the stereo. What the heck?
That looks so cool.
Do you see it? That is huge.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Look at the difference. Before we had this CD player that was so old school, I couldn't even figure out the buttons. Like I couldn't even figure out how to change the channel or to do presets. It was hard to even turn it up and down. So I'm like, can we get something of a better stereo? And here's Lincoln hopping in to the car with no seats.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's still tiny.
It's a lot easier to get inside of it now though. Without the roof off and no seats. It's on! Whoa, look at that screen!
Stinger! It's the Stinger! What's the Stinger? So we're gonna put 2 speakers right there, which there already were speakers there, but the speakers that they put in were pretty garbage. Even considering this car was like 120 grand, brand new. There's really not a lot of space inside of this car for you to even put speakers in. We want a subwoofer, right?
Yeah, we're gonna put the sub.
Our options are this wall right here.
This is just a plastic piece, and then the firewall's behind it. So we're thinking about trimming this out.
This was built off of a Lotus car, and the Lotus had like the entire motor and everything. And so they have this little air intake right here. There's no engine in there to be cooled down, and so you just kind of have this little hole right here. There we go, okay. So if you look in that entire space, there's really nothing in there. It's just open. So we can put a subwoofer in there. That was the initial idea. That's what we told Cougar to do. And now he's thinking it's not a good idea because the last thing that he wants to do is have a car just like vibrating everywhere. So by putting it inside of the car, it's gonna take that away, right?
I think you get a lot better sound quality inside the car. There's only about a ½ inch of space between that and the firewall. So.
Is that enough to put a speaker in?
The speaker would actually come out, there'd be an enclosure that would come out a little bit, so it wouldn't be flush mounted.
But it wouldn't block the seats or being able to push your seat back, you know what I'm saying?
What's called a pancake subwoofer in, so it's really, the dimensions on it are really tight.
Lincoln likes pancakes.
Yep.
Look at these calipers. See that color right there? And do you see the rust in there? A lot of cars have locked hubs, and it's to protect people, I guess, from just coming and stealing your tires. Somehow in the transfer of the car from Dallas, Texas to here, they disappeared. We don't have it at all. That's kind of an important thing. If you ever get a flat tire, to be able to actually take off the wheel. You've seen the multiple videos where we've painted our calipers. You don't bring a car to Lux Auto Spa and have it leave with normal, boring calipers. We're kind of thinking, see if we can match the paint, possibly, from the Roadster.
Oh, that would be so cool.
And make those calipers blue. But when you can't take off the actual wheels, it's kind of hard to paint everything and do it.
Wait, is that on every one of the wheels?
Every one of them is locked.
Wow.
I've got about 5 more lug key kits. These have like 20 lug keys in them a piece coming.
Really?
Hopefully one of those has got it in it. We've tried a bunch of others. If it doesn't, we're just gonna have to drill them out. So we'll get them off. At some point in time, we gotta change the wheels and tire. We gotta change the tires anyway, so we gotta get them off.
So what did you do? Take a drill and like drill a hole and then just pull the thing out somehow?
Yeah, you pretty much gotta drill the center out. It's not a pretty process.
Where are you getting keys from?
You gotta be really careful. All over the internet. So we've literally searched the internet far and wide to try and find this key. We usually don't have this kind of issue, but there's not many of these, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can find it.
I had no idea that he was searching the internet to find this. Now I feel really bad. That's a lot of work.
No.
Wow, that's a nice looking car right there. I like that color.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun. The sound system is gonna be better than any sound system in any Tesla Roadster in the entire world. I love that car. It's almost winter, but where we live, even in the winter, we can drive this car. So I can't wait to take my daughter to school and embarrass her a ton by blasting music as I drive in with this car. Let us know what you guys think about this car. Are we making the right decision by putting a subwoofer in the back there? More to come soon. I can't wait to get this thing finished and get it on the road. Thanks, Huger.
Yeah, of course, man.
Oh, and one last thing. See these mirrors right here? Before, if you remember, they were black. And I think we're gonna keep them blue because they look really good. What do you think, Lincoln?
Yeah, they look.
Blue?
Yeah, they look a lot better.
Blue.